Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's check. Tingnan natin, prediction, gabay, mensahe, energy check-ins. So, ano bang meron? Oo. So, sa mga nakinig doon sa sinabi ko na yun, meron kang stalker. May nagpakita eh. Okay, may nagpakita, may tumalon, oo, na ating card. So, that's specific. Anyway, so before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, yes po, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, andito ulit sila. Papakita ko ulit. Syempre, kasi tayo ay nadadagdagan every day, every minute, no, every hour. O, diba? So, yeah, ating unahin muna. Okay, ating unahin ang ating mga evil eye protection. So, meron tayong 4, okay, na sample dito. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang sample ng bracelet. Okay, yung bracelet natin. Meron tayong adjustable, meron tayo nung garterize. Garterize, adjustable. Yung adjustable, pwede yan ipagawa na sa red string. Okay, and pwedeng paalis itong initial or pwedeng palagyan po ng initial. Okay, ng magmamayari po ha. And syempre, ito naman yung ating garterize. So, ganito yung kanyang pendant. Okay, so there. And this is obsidian. Okay. And yung ating, again, yung ating ring, this is adjustable by the way. So, yung atin namang necklace. So, ganyan yung necklace natin. Okay. Napaka-simple lang. Oo, maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. This is unisex by the way. Hypoallergenic. Okay. So, 2 years na sa akin to, itong aking evil eye necklace. Okay, hindi pa naman siya nagtatarnish, hindi pa naman siya nagfe-fade. Okay, so, yung atin namang 3. So, unahin ko to. Hindi ko alam ba't hinawakan ko siya. Anyway, so, some of you, pwedeng ikaw nanonood, kailangan mo nito. Okay? Kailangan mo nito, like, marami kang kailangang alisin, kailangang i-cut sa energies mo, nagsisilbing blockage. Okay? So, pwedeng marami kang blockage sa pamumuhay mo na parang nakikita mo, para kang inaalat, para kang, yes, andun yung word na MALAS, no? So, yeah, pwede sa'yo to. Okay? So, pwede sa'yo, sa bahay, sa business. Okay? So, napakasimple lang. Next is yung ating granter. So, front and back. Ayan. So, si granter po is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay. So, ano bang meron kay granter? Taga-grant po, okay, ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay po ng surprises. Weekly. Yes, weekly. Ganyan po ha, ang ating granter necklace. So, ganyan siya. Yung kanyang chain is flat. Okay. Yan, ganyan siya. Non-tarnish. So, again, kung kayo ay gagamit ng granter at nitong ating 2-in-1, love and money, this is a charm. Ito rin po ay charm. Ito rin po ay charm. Okay, anyway, itong dalawang lang ito. Ang nire-recommend ko na sabayan nyo ng evil eye protection. Okay, so itong atin ito, hindi na po nito kailangan ng evil eye protection. Okay, ito na kasi yung sabihin nating sisiw lang dito, yung mga evil eye na ibinabato kasi mas malala yung pwedeng inaalis nito sa'yo. Okay, so again, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So with citrine, okay, kaya po siya meron na pagdating sa pamemera. Okay, so ano bang dala ng citrine? Citrine is a money magnet. Okay, money magnet. The merchant stone, madalas ginagamit ng mga nagbi-business. Okay, so nilagay na natin dito Okay, kasi syempre, no, parang, yeah, sa love, meron tayong mga connection. Ganun din naman pagdating sa money. So, isahin natin. No, ilagay natin sa iisa. So, yeah, ganun lang din naman. Okay, pagdating sa mga lalaki, kung gusto mo nung ating 2-in-1, love and money, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, nothing to worry, o baka hindi pwede sa akin, sa zodiac sign ko, ganito, pwede po ba yan sa ganitong zodiac sign? Wala po tayong nililimitahan pagdating po sa mga zodiac. Okay? Again, pagdating sa ating cleansing kit, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite stone, selenite stick, okay, selenite crystal. So, lifetime usage pagdating kay selenite crystal. And, yeah, pang recharge ng inyong mga charms and crystals po, no? Yung ating yon, and yeah, pang cleansing na rin. Anyway, so let's start the reading. Air signs. So, what's for you? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. 4 of Cups. And the set, yeah. Here, someone said, may nag-iisip sa'yo. Water sign, could be an air sign, a fellow air sign. Andun yung energy na parang merong nagdaramdam. Hindi ko alam bakit. So maybe they will message you, mga ganyang bagay, or they will express. Okay? I'm hearing sabotage pagdating po sa workplace. Okay? I'm hearing sabotage. I'm hearing somebody is parang nagseselos. Kaya nakakapag-evil eye siya or nakakapanabutahe ng energy. Be careful. Okay? Andun yung side eye. Energy ng side eye. Okay. The 2 of Cups inversed. Anong meron dyan sa 2 of Cups? Okay. Stalker. So, kung sino man ito na parang naka-detach mo, okay, in general, they're watching you. Okay, I don't care kung nandyan yung salitang block. Okay, pwede kang mapanood, pwede kang maitanong, pwede kang hanapin ng taong to kung gugustuhin man niya. Okay? So, they're watching you. I don't know kung tinitingnan nila. Sinasabi lang dito in general na, yeah, you have a stalker, air signs. So, judgment. Alam mo, air sign, meron ditong big water sign placements na parang takot na mawala ka sa kanya. Or there's somebody from your past na talagang nag-iisip. They're like, yung energies tulala. Okay? Tulala, nag-iisip ng mga ganito, ganyan. What if magkasama pa rin kami ngayon, or magkausap pa rin kami, magka-connect pa rin kami, ano kayang meron sa amin? Meron din nag-iisip dito na may gusto makipagbalikan. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? May na-reject, pero magta-try muli. Yeah. Ano tong judgment? The King of Swords. Okay. So, a result in general. Okay, there's this result. I don't know, pwedeng ang tawag dito sa form of message, a call, something like that. Okay, na pwedeng magsasabi ng approve, granted, parang may mga ganyang energy. Okay? Iba sa inyo, this is talking about a travel. So, may chance na pwedeng merong na makakapag-isip rin, na mag-book. Okay? I don't know, parang na-read kita ng ganun, like, ng mga nakaraan. Kayo ba yon? I don't know. Yeah, the Ace of Cups and the 3 of Wands, yeah. Ito specific, something, somewhere na parang yung pinaka-ginugusto mo na mapuntahan, pwedeng mapuntahan mo. Okay? Okay, so next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Merong makakatanggap ng regalo. present. Or as simple as ang tawag dito, babatiin ka lang, parang ganon. Anyway, so what's for you, fire signs? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the High Priestess in reverse. I'm hearing somebody will have, sabihin nating, will need to see a doctor. Okay? Hindi naman ito ganoon na parang maybe this is just like an energy of check-up, mga ganyang bagay, no? Kung kailangan mo magpa-check up, may nararamdaman kang something, wag kang magpa-check up kay Google, no? So real talk. Kasi minsan kapag tayo nag-google, lahat nandoon. Lahat nandoon. So, lalo kang matatakot sa kung ano man ang nararamdaman mo physically. So, kung kailangan mong magtungo sa doktor, gawin mo. Okay? So, may chance iba sa inyo, pwede may magpapa-check up. Okay? The Emperor in reverse. And the Nine of Wands. Absence. Abstinence. Absent. May narinig ako, could be a boss na pwedeng hindi magiging present. Okay? Or pwedeng I'm hearing another energy about power trip. Power tripping for you, fire signs. Or maybe ikaw ito. Okay? Power tripping. Yung parang wala lang, trip ko lang. Gusto ko lang gawin to, ganto, ganyan, kasi kaya ko to. Kasi ako yung merong rule dito. Something like that. Enough. Okay, avoid na lang natin. Kasi, maging din tayo. Concern, no? Oo. Magbigay tayong simpatya rin. Simpatya. Oo, concern. Oo, maging concern din tayo sa mga, sabihin nating oras din ng iba. Okay. So, yung pagiging absent ng boss mo, may nakikita ko dito absent, yung boss. Okay? Kung hindi man absent, pwedeng malate lang. Yeah, I'm hearing traffic or masisiraan ng sasakyan, may masisiraan ng sasakyan or may mata-traffic. So, kung meron kang something like schedule, okay? Mas maganda na i-manage natin yung time. Kung kaya natin na pumunta ng mas maaga, mas okay. Okay, so, para maiwasan din yung conflict. The Three of Swords. What's with that? Three of Swords. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. So, ang sinasabi rito, I'm hearing the universe is giving you challenges for you to grow. Okay, I'm hearing challenges, I'm hearing pain. Okay? Pero ang nakukuha ko as a result is, sabihin natin sa ikagaganda. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. So, I think meron lang gustong ituro sa'yo sa universe sa kung ano man ang ipinapadanas niya sa iyo ngayon. Okay, that's a message. Some of you, pwedeng mapapalayo ka sa ganito, sa ganyan. May, nandun yung energy ng sadness, conflicts, mga ganyang bagay. Pero, universe doesn't want you to, stay, no, sa ganun lang na energy. Kasi, the universe want you to, look sa positive side ng sitwasyon. Okay? So, this is how you do it. O, diba? This is how you do it. Anyway, mayroon lang itinuturo sa universe, I think. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, let's see what's for you. Prediction, goodbye, message, energy check-ins. Let's see. Water signs. Two of Cups in reversed. Why? Temperance. Shaky connection. A shaky connection. The Seven of Wands. Dapat may limits dito kasi parang yung isa is masyadong kampante. We have here codependency. Energy of codependency. So kapag may ganyan, so magiging shaky, rocky yung situation ninyo, lalo na po pagdating sa love. Okay? So, yeah, the Lovers in reverse. So, hindi malayo, na magkaroon ng, diba, ganyan, no? So, ayaw natin nun. So, mas maganda magkaroon ng fairness, magkaroon ng mutual na kung ano man pagdating po sa connection. Okay? So, avoid arguments. Ang nakuha ko kasi every time na merong codependent, okay, merong nasusunod, merong parang nababaliwala. Parang ganon. There's a lot of manipulation, imbalance. Okay? So, the Ace of Pentacles or something coming in. Could be an offer, could be money. What's this? Could be a new beginning for some of you. Oh, you have blockages. What? What? Okay, let's see. The Ace of Pentacles with the Seven of Wands. You have blockages. Or maybe, sa paligid mo, may mga hadlang. Okay? Sa paligid mo, may mga hadlang. Which is, sabihin natin mga tao na nangungontrol sa'yo. Could be. Okay? May opportunity ka sa mga gandang bagay, sa mga gandang energy, opportunities. Okay? Pero yun nga lang, you're stuck or pwedeng you're with this person's energy. Somebody who manipulates, who control you. So, kailangan yung lumayas doon. Oo. May chance na pwedeng kapamilya mo pa eh. Ha? So, kung ano man yung ine-effortan mo will come to fruition. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. Some of you, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na pwedeng merong makakabili ng sasakyan. That's not for all, pero nakakita ko, could be a motor. Okay? The Chariot kasi, this is motor o parang sasakyan in general. Okay? Pwedeng wish mo yun. Okay? Pwedeng mag-grant. See? The Sun. Claim mo na. Ilak natin yun. Okay. Gamitin natin si Granter. Okay. So, dyan ka. At, lagyan natin ng cord cut. Yan. Ang ganda. So, ngayon lang natin pinagsama si Granter at cord cut, no? Yeah. Oo, kasi kailangan nating i-cut yung ties with people na talagang wala nang ginawa kundi kontrolin ka, mga ganung bagay, no? Sa paganda naman to, so don't you worry. Okay? So, ayaw mo nun, maalis yung mga ganung sitwasyon or malilimitahan at mabibigay sa'yo yung gusto mo. Claim it. So, what else? What else for water signs? The Five of Cups in reversed. The Knight of Cups in reversed. Meron ditong energy na parang balik, tawag doon? Alis, balik. Ganun yung energy dito. Okay? Parang hot and cold, parang ganyan, parang siso. Okay? So, I don't know kung anong meron. I think there's this hesitations akong naririnig from this person. Pwedeng ikaw ito, you have hesitations or doubts. Okay, pagdating sa isang situation, maybe, anong meron? Okay, the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Cups. The Justice. So, parang meron ka naman na suporta, akong nakikita rito. Okay? sabihin natin wag ka lang din magpapalamon, sa negativities. Okay? Pwedeng yes, kailangan mo rin tulungan yung sarili mo dito. Okay? Yeah, may mga suporta sa paligid-ligid mo. Kung ano man to, magiging okay ka rin, water sign. Okay? Some of you have to hear that. Magiging okay ka rin. Claim it. Magiging okay ka rin. Okay. Lock natin. Magiging okay ka rin. Yes. Kasi nararamdaman ko dito parang, hindi na ako maging sasaya pa ba ako? May ganun eh. Magiging okay ka. Sasaya ka pa rin, water sign. Don't you worry. Okay? Claim it. Huwag mo i-block. Huwag mo sabihin, parang hindi na. Don't. You're blocking. Okay? Kapag ganun ang ginagawa mo, you're blocking yourself sa mga gandang energies. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is for you? What is for our Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, mensahe. Mas maganda talaga, yung specific. Madalas kasi talagang general eh. Mahirap kasi magbigay ng specific. At medyo risky. Medyo risky. Anyway, the Four of Wands in reversed. I'm hearing may lilipat ng bahay, trabaho, may magre-resign, may magbabakasyon. Yeah, Days of Wands. I'm hearing travel. Okay, a week could be. Okay. Some of you, may mga i-fix pagdating sa bahay. May mga bibilihin na bago, na gamit, if ever. I don't know, nabasaan ko ba kayo ng ganun kahapon or nung isang araw? Parang may ganung energy pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin nawawala. May mga kailangan i-fix. Some of you, there could be an energy of a new beginning. Okay. Six of Wands in reversed. Some of you Earth signs, meron kayong kailangan i-surrender. Okay, nagtabi yung Four of Wands at Six of Wands na naka-reverse. This is Ten of Wands in reverse in total. Ten of Wands is surrendering. Some of you. Okay, para sa pagbabago. Mayroon kayong mga kailangang i-surrender para makuha nyo yung pagbabago. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. General po kasi. Okay, ano tong Six of Wands in reversed? The Five of Swords in reversed. So, yung energy na nakukuha ko dito is parang kailangan yung iwasan or umiwas sa parang akala nyo is totoo pero hindi pala. Ang hirap i-explain. Andito yung word na plastic. Yeah, the Six of Cups. Pwedeng mga friend mo. Okay? Why the Six of Wands in reversed? May mga nag-i-evilize sa'yo. Okay? The Hierophant. Pwede kasi nga doon yung inggit. This is jealousy. Six of Wands in reversed. Okay? Could be sa workplace. Could be, sabihin natin, tinitingnan ka ng mga tao as somebody na challenge or katunggali. Okay, so madalas nasasabihan ka or nababatuhan ka ng kung ano-ano mang sinasabi nila, na hindi filtered. Okay, so you have to protect your energy. Mayroon dito na parang nandun yung inggit kasi pwedeng mare-recognize ka. Okay, may word doon na recognize. I don't know kung ano. Okay? So, what else for earth signs? Two of Swords, universe, decision making. Could be decision making. Yeah, and the Fool. Pwedeng meron kayong mga susubukang mga bagay na bago sa'yo. Okay, in general, may mga susubukan, may mga tutuklasin, may mga aaralin, may mga, yan nga, i-experience na bago. So, it's like an energy of getting out or, going out of your comfort zone. Parang ganyan, no? So, that's nice, that's good. Yeah, the world. Entering sa energy na maraming pagbabago, maraming energies, or maraming blessings, opportunities. Kasi sabi ko nga, kapag nandyan ka sa comfort zone mo, wala dyaang masyado. Oo, andyan yung comfort nga eh. Komportable ka dyan. No? Wala kang mararamdamang takot, wala kang mararamdamang kaba. Kasi nga, sanay. Doon ka nasanay. So, kapag may bago, naku, nakakakaba. Ano kayang gagawin? So, meaning to say, bago, meaning to say, opportunities. Growth. Okay? Expansion. Mga ganong bagay. No? So, saan ka? Sa comfort zone mo o sa labas ng comfort zone mo? Okay? Lahat naman kasi nadadala. Lahat naman kasi sabihin nating nag-uumpisa sa takot. Di po ba? Bago tayo matuto ng isang bagay, nandun yung kaba, nandun yung doubt. Pero kung tinry mo at nagtuloy-tuloy, edi okay. Pero kung hindi mo itinuloy kasi na pangunahan ka ng ganto, ng ganyan, well, hanggang dun ka lang. Real talk. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Again, po yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung ating pong love letter. So, yeah, pwede kayo mag-send doon ng inyong mga messages for your loved ones, for your special person, mga ganyan. So, yeah, pwede nating i-air yun doon sa kabila nating channel, and pwedeng anonymous, and pwede rin kung gusto ninyong ipalahad, no, yung inyong mga pangalan, pwede rin naman, just say so. Anyway, so again, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. So, like, share, and subscribe. So, yun lamang po. Thank you. Goodbye.